Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sync your Orbi Outdoor Satellite with your Orbi Router step by step. Step 1. Place the satellite. Position your Orbi Outdoor Satellite near your Orbi Router during the initial sync. Later, you can move it outside to its permanent location. Step 2. Power on the satellite. Plug the satellite into a power outlet. Wait until the power LED lights up. Step 3. Press the sync button on the router. On your Orbi Router, press the sync button. The sync LED should start blinking. Step 4. Press the sync button on the outdoor satellite. Within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the Orbi Outdoor Satellite. The satellite will now try to pair with the router. Step 5. Wait for LED status. Solid blue light equals good connection. Solid amber light equals fair connection. Solid magenta light equals failed sync. Try again or move satellite closer. Step 6. Relocate the satellite outdoors. After successful sync, unplug and move the satellite to your desired outdoor location. Plug it back in and wait until the LED shows blue or amber, stable connection. And that's it. Your Orbi Outdoor Satellite is now successfully synced with your Orbi Router. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.